Alright, we're going to see how the soap and water does. See them at the corner of the gutter. They don't like it. They're not attacking him yet. Not yet. Or for that matter, me. I don't know that it's... We're going to come back after lunch and see if they're still there.
They seem to be kind of feisty about it.
Alright, that's it. Use them all. Use it all up. I don't mind. At least with soapy water, you're not damaging anything. Unless you're spraying paper. Look at that. It's making true foam.
I think that's it.
Yeah.